Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create these heat-free beach waves. Okay, I achieved this same look last year in March, about a year ago, using my Remington T Studio curling wand. But as we all know, too much heat in our hair can damage our hair, it can dry it out. So I just wanted to show you guys how this look can be created. Now the curls will fall, they will drop later on in the day. I just took out the rollers and I achieved this look with 12 Flexi. I used the longer ones and I used the shorter blue ones. I can't remember what the diameter of these are, but you can find these at your beauty supply store, a pack of 6 for about $4. The only thing I do to keep up this look is re-roll them on the Flexi rods every night and tie a silk scarf on my hair, and I use the organic raw shea butter strengthening elixir for dry hair, and I just spray this on my hair just for a nice shine and to moisturize my hair, because the shea butter in here is for moisturization. So yes, that's all I use in this video. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, continue to watch. Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you really quickly how to achieve heatless curls, which are going to be these sexy beach waves. All you need is some Flexi rods. I have short and I have long. I just haven't had a chance to get any more of the longer ones, so I'm going to be using those ones. All you need is the Flexi rods, and you don't need a comb or anything like that. You just section your hair off in the back, and you're going to clip your hair up out the way and split the back section into two. And I learned this from Tressbuzz, and I'll put a link to her video in the description box. And I also seen Melizabethwill use this method but differently. So all you want to do is make sure the hair is nice and smooth. You're going to take your Flexi rod, I'm going to use the shorter ones in the back, and you're going to place the Flexi rod in the back of your hair like this, and you're going to fold it over like that. Next, you're going to begin to wrap your hair around the Flexi rod just like this. Just wrap it around. And you want to fold the top up like that, just to lock it in. And it's okay if the ends are sticking out, because you want to create nice beach waves, so it's okay if it's sticking out. Then you're going to do the same thing for the other side. Smooth the hair. I really don't use combs in my hair that often, so you're just going to put the Flexi rod in back of the hair, fold the top over, and then you're going to begin to wrap this around the Flexi rod. And this takes 10 to 15 minutes to do. And fold this over, lock it in, and take another section, just like this. And you want to clip this out the way. so now I have all the flexi rods in. I have about 12 flexi rods in my hair. There is 5 in the back, 1 in the middle, 2 on the side, and 2 on this side, and 2 in the front. And they don't have to be perfect. You're just trying to create that messy beach wave look. And this is heat-free and it's easy to do. So now you just want to tie your hair up with a scarf. I'm just going to use this scarf because my bonnet is not going to fit. And you're just going to sleep with this in like this overnight, which is going to be a pain in the behind, but beauty is pain. So we're just going to tie this up, and I'll see you guys in the morning.